few packages. Just thought I'd open them up. This is from Tailorie. Breatherapy. There are 2 sleep, 2 happiness, 2 breathe, and 2 calm inhalation tabs. You can wear the patches from 30 minutes to 8 hours. This is pretty cool. So you stick it to the skin or clothing near your nose. In the picture, it has it right here. Sleep is lavender, Roman chamomile. Happiness is lemon, eucalyptus, grapefruit. I feel like I'm pronouncing this wrong, but it's yang, lemon, eucalyptus, radiata, peppermint, bay laurel, lavender, palmarosa. Some of these I can't pronounce. Here are the 4 kinds.